Woohoo! Thanks for coming to, yeah, anytime. We really want. Have you ever, wondered about that, yellow crystal in your desert? You mean the thing that is near Charles and William's place? Yeah, it's somewhere over here. I gotta look for it. Okay. Does she ever even slow down? And no, she's kind of full of chaos. Woo! Yeah, I've always wondered about this thing. I don't know anything about it. Wait, so, Prism, you said if one of us touches it, it just turns into something? Like, a velociraptor? Something like that. I have no idea. It's something. Hey, speaking of which, how about we get something from William's place? Whee! Yeah, Anna's just going chaos again. Hey guys. Do I miss this place? This is, let me change this a little bit. That's better, I like this song. Yeah, I guess all William just listens to is country music. Yeah. Hey, William! What? Hey, Charles! I ain't never seen you in William's place. Yeah, what's up, bud? Botanist? A lot of birds are around here. Yeah, a lot. Anyway, how did you and Charles always, get along how did you and William get, along with each other? Good question. We had no idea how we did. Oh, you can at least tell us. Well, if you want to know how me and Charles met, well, we met here at the bar pretty much before you had the hotel. Not that I can exactly say anything. So, you guys want a drink or something? Sure, I guess. Yeah, sure, we'll take one. Can you please tell us how you exactly, got along with each other? We did used to get along with each other, but it was those years ago. Hey, Charles, wanna play that song that we just put together when we met each other? Yeah. Got a button. I'm gonna blow that song. Oh, God. And here we go with the music. What music? Alright, got it blown in. Anyway, let's just begin with the music.
Right here, right now, I put the offer out. I don't wanna cheat you down, I know you see it. You run with me, and I can cut you free out of the treachery of walls you keep in. So trade that typical for something colorful. And if it's crazy, live a little crazy. You can play it sensible, the king of conventional, or you can risk it all and see. Enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something. I live among the swells, and we don't pick up peanut shells. I'll have to leave that up to you. Don't you know that I'm okay with this uptown part I get to play? 'Cause I got what I need, and I don't want to take the ride. And I need to see the other side, so go and do like you do. I'm good to do like me. Ain't in a case, so I don't need to take the key. Oh, damn, can't you see I'm doing fine? I don't need to see the other. Is this really how you like to spend your If I were mixed up with you, I'd be the talk of the town, disgraced and disowned, another one of the clowns. But you would finally live a little, finally laugh a little. Just let me give you the freedom to dream, and it'll wake you up and cure your aching. Take your walls and start them breaking. Now that's a deal that seems worth taking. But I guess I'll leave that up to you. Well, it's intriguing, but to go would cost me greatly. So what percentage of the show would I be taking? Fair enough, you'd want a piece of all the action. I'd give you 7, we could shake and make it happen. I wasn't born this morning, 18 would be just fine. Why not just go ahead and ask for nickels on the dime? 15, I do 8, 12, maybe 9, 10. Don't you wanna get away to a whole new party gonna play? 'Cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride to the other side. So if you do like I do, so if you do like me, forget the cage, 'cause we know how to make the key. Oh, damn, suddenly we're free to fly. We're going to the other side. So if you do like I do, to the other side. So if you do like I do, to the other side. We're going to the other side. We're going to the other side.
Oh, Poison, I don't know we should be here. Oh, come on, Blood Talent. You say everything that we shouldn't be here. Ah, come on. Just shush. Shush. Come on, I heard one of these crystals have like some kind of velociraptor in it. Isn't that just a fairy tale? You can't just believe everything that is a fairy tale. That's not right. Yeah. Come on, just touch it. I want to see what happens. I wouldn't touch it, because I heard if you touch it, something might happen, but I mean, come on. This thing has been near Darkwatcher's mother's house, like, for years, and she hasn't even found out what happened. I wouldn't touch it. Come on, let's just touch it. Nothing's happening, so maybe it is a fairy tale? I wouldn't say fairy tale. Is it glowing? Well, Poison, I think that was fake. It's probably not coming out. No, I think it might be real. Nothing's happening. Or is nothing really happening? Told you we should have came here. Probably mad. Mad? Yeah, right, like I ever get mad. Who are you? And why did you wake me up from my, sleep? Oh, so you're ancient, huh? Okay, well, I'm Poison, the last Moa, and this is Blood Talon, the last Argentavis. Never seen you two before. Where have you two been? And besides, we're supposed to stop that freaking skeleton by the name of, what's his name again? Alright. Darkbone. Darkbone? Who the heck is that? You literally don't know who he is? Well, I need to find the other elements. Are you sure? Do you exactly know where you're going or know where they are? Actually, good question. I don't exactly know where they are. How about you two help me? I know where the fire element is, but I don't know which direction it is. Well, we can help you find the other elements. I think the next one is ice, but that place was forbidden because Darkwater used to have a lab there. Well, there's a lot of other birds that live there, So come with me, shall you? Just look for the ice element. Poison, wait. I don't think we should go with her. She could be setting up a trap. So what? I mean, I heard in fairy tales that the elemental raptors were known to protect everything. So, why shouldn't you trust her? I don't know, but I'm just having a feeling, like, what if something is waiting for her out there and trying to kill her? I mean, if you're right, then I'm not gonna argue with her, but if you're wrong, then I don't know, guess arguing with you. Oh, shut the hell up. I love your argues. Oh, I can't believe you sometimes. Alright, now let's go find those elemental raptors. Alright. Oh god, what am I doing? I mean, since I'm the only one who can fly, I could try to find the mountains, but good luck with you two. So, yeah. I'll just, yeah, tell you where to go. Alright, time to find these goddamn mountains. God damn it, what am I doing?